Hello everyone, this is a guide on how to set up a wheel and pedals on CityDriver, but first make sure you've done this in the control panel on Windows. There is a video on my channel showing you how to. So what we'll do first, and we will go to options, and then I like to go to the controls and go over to the joystick and steering wheel just to make sure my wheel's registered in the game. Underneath you can bind your own little buttons from your wheel on there. But I go to access config and again move across and make sure your wheel is registered there just in case it's disappeared. Then go to configure device, turn your wheel to the left fully so it can't go anymore and leave it there. And then we're going to do exactly the same when it tells you to do it for the right. So turn your wheel to the right fully until it can't go anymore, until the screen tells you different. Once that's done, we are then going to use the accelerator pedal and put your foot down on it and leave it down until the screen tells you to change. And after that we're going to do the brake pedal, keep your foot on the brake all the way down, and then we're going to do the clutch if you are using the clutch pedal for any shifters, and then release like it says on screen. And then you can bind and do all the gear shifting for the shifter. I'm not using one so I will skip this, but you just follow the on-screen prompts. So once all that's done, you'll be then asked then to use a button on your wheel for the interaction, unless you are using partly keyboard, and then do exactly the same for the engine. And once all that's done, officially that's it. And don't forget to press the enter key or click the button down on the right hand side to apply. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, see you in the next one.